Congratulations on becoming eligible for Medicare. Today we will be taking you through a step-by-step guide on what you need to do before you turn 65 or need Medicare. Step 1. Sign up for Medicare Part A and B. Step 2. Get personalized guidance. Step 3. Select the right plan. Step 4. Complete your enrollment. Step 5. Enjoy your milestone. Step 1 is to sign up for Medicare Part A and B. You will automatically be signed up if you're already receiving Social Security benefits. If you're still working, you or your spouse have employer coverage, you may qualify for a delay of your Medicare without penalty. But you do need to enroll yourself, and you can do so over the phone at your local office or online if you are not collecting Social Security retirement benefits. Number 2, get personalized guidance. Now, the best way to do so is to connect with a licensed Medicare advisor, hopefully local to you, that understands the provider groups in your market. You're going to want to learn about the basics of Medicare, explore all your plan options, and find what's available in your local area. Step 3, you need to select the right plan for you. Once your Medicare Part A and B are active, you will need to make a choice between a Medicare supplement and a prescription drug plan, or a Medicare Advantage product. Step 4 is to complete your enrollment. Work with your local Medicare advisor to confirm the plan suits your needs and finalize your application and enrollment. Step 5 is to enjoy your milestone. The hardest part is done. You've made your informed decision on your health care, and now it's time to enjoy your 65th birthday and your savings on your healthcare expenses.